Listen, when I was a nuclear power electrician, we didn't do good enough. Everything was built to a standard because failure wasn't an option. I've spent the last 17 years, from my 4-year apprenticeship to 8 years grinding in the field, applying that same logic to residential HVAC. Today, we're looking at the absolute ultimate tier of ductless mini splits. We're pitting the Armstrong Air 4DHP2 against the Carrier Infinity 35, 37 MPRA. These aren't just air conditioners. They are high-performance thermal engines, built for the most demanding homes. In the ductless world, we don't care about heavy steel cabinets. We care about how that outdoor unit survives the elements. The Armstrong Air 4DHP2 is a powerhouse utilizing Omniguard total corrosion protection. It's built with a specialized gold fin coating on the coils, specifically designed to shed water and resist salt air or chemical corrosion better than standard aluminum. The Carrier Infinity 35 37 MPRA is Carrier's flagship. It features a heavy gauge galvanized steel chassis and a premium anti-corrosive fin coating. But here's the field truth. The Carrier unit is a tank designed for extreme weather, while the Armstrong is engineered with a layout that makes it much easier for a tech to service in the field. If a sensor goes, I want to be working on the Armstrong. This is where the numbers get insane. Both use advanced inverter technology to ramp up and down, but the Carrier Infinity 35 lives up to its name, pushing an industry-leading 35.1 SEER2 and a staggering 30 HSPF2. It's built for extreme climate performance, maintaining 100% heating capacity all the way down to 0 degrees and operating as low as minus 22 degrees. The Armstrong Air 4DHP2 is a high-performance machine in its own right, delivering up to 25.0 SEER2 and 11.9 HSPF2. While the Carrier wins the paper war on efficiency, the Armstrong unit is more of a balanced Pro Series workhorse that provides heating down to minus 13 degrees. In most of the country, that's more than enough to keep you toastier than a nuclear reactor core. Before I get to the warranty, I gotta know, are you trying to heat a home in the frozen north where it hits 20 degrees? Or are you just looking for the quietest, most efficient way to cool a massive open concept living space? Let me know in the comments. Here is where the Pro Series pedigree shows. Carrier offers a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but registration within 90 days is mandatory, or you're stuck with 5 years. Armstrong Air takes it a step further for the professionals. Their 4DHP2 comes with a standard 5-year parts and 7-year compressor warranty, but they offer an available 12-year extended warranty. That extra 2 years of not my problem coverage is a massive deal when you're investing in top tier gear. Who wins? If you live in a place where winter means minus 20 degrees and you want the absolute highest efficiency rating currently possible, the Carrier Infinity 35 37 MMPRA is the king of the hill. But if you want a unit that's easier to service, has the Omniguard protection for coastal or high VOC areas, and offers that 12-year warranty path, the Armstrong Air 4DHP2 is my field-tested pick for long-term reliability. Don't take my word for it. Head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool to compare these models side by side. Hit that subscribe button so you don't get sold a lemon. See you on the next one.